We can help you find the inspiration you need to reach your dreams. Listen and learn anytime, exclusively on the Success Radio podcast.
4 smart ways to overcome challenges. What is life without challenges and problems? Everyone faces challenges in life, regardless of age, gender, economic status, and so on. Right from a young age up to a ripe old age, everyone faces challenges almost every day. The bigger your life's goal, the greater your challenges. Facing and overcoming problems requires some amount of maturity, understanding, and some strategy. Here are 4 tips to face challenges in your life. Number 1, learn to forget the problem and focus only on solutions. Forgetting the problem doesn't certainly make it disappear, but if you temporarily take your mind off the problem, you'll save yourself some unwanted anxiety. Unwanted stress only leads to wasting your energy. Instead, you can spend that energy looking for ways to solve the problem. A majority of us just freeze when we're faced with challenging situations. Instead, if we could immediately look for solutions, the problem may clear itself up easily. This isn't easy, but with some self-awareness and positive attitude, you can learn to find your way through problems. When you're challenged with a problem the next time, first, set aside your emotions, understand the problem, and search for a solution right away. Number 2, get help by reaching out to family and friends. Sometimes when you just let go of your ego and shame and ask for help, you'd be surprised at the way people receive you with love and concern. What are family and friends for? These days, support groups are available online and in the community for almost every problem. You have support groups for addictions, seniors, single parents, parenting, marriage, education, health, and religion, just about everything. When you have a problem, don't think you're all alone. When you get in touch with these support groups, you'll realize you're not the only one being tested by life's challenges. You'll share each other's experiences and shoulder each other's problems through these support groups. You could search for support groups on the internet or call an expert, look in the newspapers, magazines, talk to others, etc. Support groups give a lot of strength and courage to fight your challenges. Number 3, act now. Now is the best time to take on your challenges. Many people think and think and think and talk about it all the while, but they don't move 1 inch toward a solution. What good is that? When you see a challenge, take action immediately. You would waste precious time if you wait around or wait for someone else to start dealing with your issues. Build self-confidence and resilience and start to fight your problems, and you'll overcome your challenge before it settles down on you. The faster you act, the speedier the problem gets resolved. And number 4, practice patience and perseverance. Nobody is born a professional at solving problems. Each time a problem challenges you, it's a new experience. You'd act wisely by learning to be patient and persistent, and practice perseverance in order to study your pattern of problems. This is a good way to draw your strategies and act accordingly. Soon, you'll be a master at dealing with your challenges.
We can help you find the inspiration you need to reach your dreams. Listen and learn anytime, anywhere, exclusively on the Success Radio podcast.